The car has arrived. The car that is a true driver's car. The new 2023 Toyota GR86. But this GR86 is not just any GR86. It is the 10th anniversary Special Edition. It is one of only 20 that are coming to Canada. The 10th anniversary Special Edition is only available in this exclusive solar orange color with black accents. Black 18-inch 15-spoke alloy wheels with functional fender air vents. Black painted duckbill spoiler. And performance dual exhaust with black exhaust tips. This generation of GR86 has more horsepower and torque. The 2.4-liter engine is producing 228 horsepower and 184 foot-pounds of torque. Along with the added power, the aluminum roof, hood, and front fenders help take the 0 to 100 kilometers an hour down to 6.3 seconds from 7.2 seconds. They also help lower the center of gravity for better handling. Once inside, the door trim molding has the orange Special Edition logo. The seats are leather trimmed with orange accents and stitching. The GR badge steering wheel has matching orange stitching. And here is the limited production Special Edition plate. There you have it, a quick review of what the 2023 Toyota GR86 10th Anniversary Special Edition is.